Hello. In this video, I will show you how to make money online as a teenager on Instagram. So it's going to be a very easy process. All you have to do is you have to just simply post content for a certain period of time. Now, the process that we are going to do is we are going to create faceless theme pages. As you can see that over here, pages just like this. They are good pages and they are completely faceless. As you can see right over here, you will have no particular face or a brand with this particular channel. Now, this process is easy because you can get the content very easily and you don't have to spend a lot of money either. So, what you have to do is you have to just simply pick a niche. Like for example, over here, I have 3 niche. First is finance, second is fitness, and third is motivation. Now, there are many niche and many sub niches under those main niches as well. Like there can be beauty, memes, makeup. There are endless niches. So you have to just simply find and pick one niche where you have some sort of interest, because only then you will be able to get good content. Now, once you have picked your niche, what you have to do is you have to find competitors in that particular niche. So the easiest way that you can do that is in the search panel, just simply search for hashtag keywords like self-help, fitness, finance, or whatever your niche is. And then just simply find another faceless channel just like them over here. Now, once you find their channel, just simply go through their post, reels, and see which of the posts are doing well. Like for example, this one over here, or this one, or in motivation, this one right over here, or any of the reels or posts that have more than 10k views. So if you have them, that's good. Now, once you have your reel and a post, what you do is you have to download that particular reel or post from that competitor's channel. Now, you can make your own, it's totally up to you, but this is the fastest way, so it's totally up to you. Now, there is a thing that you have to keep in mind. When you will get a content, make sure that it doesn't have a specific face, meaning it should not be the very owner of the page who is talking in the video. So, as you can see in this page, they are all different people. So there's not a specific person or a owner of this particular channel. So just simply get the content. And if you do get the content of a particular owner of a channel, make sure to give credits in the description and that will be all right. So once you have your content, you can just simply download this content by clicking on any reel or a video. After opening a reel or a post, click on the 3 dots, then copy link. And now you can go on any websites which can download reels. Like just simply search for download Instagram reel or reel downloader. Just simply search anything like that. And then you will have this option. Go inside that, paste your URL and click on download. Now, it will take few seconds and then you can download the reel without a watermark. It's totally up to you. Now, once you have a reel, get more reels like this. So, the minimum that you have to do is at least 4 reels and 7 posts like these images and then some text on that images. You can make all of them in Canva. It's totally easy. All you have to do is just search for Instagram post and then a Canva blank project will open up, and over here you can just simply search for what you want. Like for example, if you want motivation, just simply get that and you will have some motivation templates. Then you can just simply change the words. It's totally up to you. Now, once you have your post, click on share, then download the post. And then just simply paste it on Instagram. Now, do this for a period of time, approximately 3 months. And in 3 months, you should start seeing results. Now, once you have a small audience base, the next step that you have to do is you have to promote something. Like for example, in every channel you will see, they will have a link of promoting something. As you can see right over here. They are all faceless channels and they are all promoting something. Now, in your case, what you can do is you have a lot of options to promote. Like for example, you can promote a digital PDF or a digital product or a SaaS or even a newsletter or an affiliate product. There are a lot of options. Now, the product that you're promoting should be inside the niche that your page is in. So make sure to keep that in mind. So let's say, for example, you chose affiliate products. Now, what you do is go to affiliate marketplace and then just simply choose a product to promote which is surrounding your particular niche. Like for example, if you have chosen a finance niche like this, the affiliate products that you can choose maybe some any Bitcoin websites affiliate program, or Amazon affiliate, Shopify affiliate, and many more affiliate programs like that. And similarly, in motivation, if you have any affiliate links, the products could be like a self-help program, mind-changing program, manifestation program. There are a lot of options. Similarly, in fitness, you can sell products like how to create your diet, vegan diet, exercises to get a particular result, what type of exercises, training, sign up for gym. There are a lot of options that you can try. So just a recap. First, you have to get a niche that you like. Then you have to find competitors in your niche. Then you have to start creating content or getting content from other creators and then uploading them regularly and consistently on your particular channel. Then keep on doing this, and after when you have a good amount of interaction on your channel, just simply start promoting your product. And the product could be anything from digital marketing products to a SaaS to affiliate product. It's totally up to you and your niche. Once you have your link in the bio, any one of your reels will go viral. People will come to your page and they will click on your link over here to see what you're giving. And then if they like the product or the thing that you're promoting, they will buy it. And if it is an affiliate product, you will get a commission. And if it is a sign up, you will get a lead. And if it is a standalone product, you will get a sale. So that's it. And all the necessary links will be provided in the description. That's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.